What's going on, guys? So welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about the ng-siwtch, which is another Angular directive. So let's get started. So inside my sandbox.component.html, so if you guys have no knowledge how to create a new component, you can use app.component.html, or you can create a new component by simply typing ng for generate component and the name of the component slash. And if you are unaware of creating a component, you can watch my previous video. I want to give the link given in the description so you guys can understand how to create the new components. Very simple, I believe. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create a div here. And inside that div, I'm going to create the ng-siwtch, which is another Angular directive. So we are using the switch case, but it's a bit different way. So I'm assigning a value of status. So basically, that value is coming from our component, which is the sandbox.component.ts. And let's suppose for a while, I can give inside your export class sandbox components, I can assign that status to be, let's suppose I give it the type of the number and assign the value of 1. All right, go back to your sandbox HTML file. And here, I'm going to use div. And inside that ng-siwtch directive, and inside I create another div and give it here the cases, because if you ever work on other programming languages, it works the same way. But the only difference is that we are using ng-siwtch case here. So ng-siwtch, that should, remember that should be in very case sensitive. So you have to write in the camel case. So ng-siwtch case equal to, then put some double quotes here, and also a single quote inside that, and I assigned the value of 1. So you see that from this value 1 is coming from this status. So if my case is 1, I assign the value to be 1. So if I give it like the status to be online, that should be online if the switch case is 1. And I just grab that and paste it 4 times more. I have the extension, so Beautify. You can also install that extension. Very useful. Beautify is an extension, so you can also install that by simply pressing Ctrl+Shift+P and Beautify file. Then it will indent your code. So I'm gonna give that status to be busy. The next status I'm gonna give it the offline. The last one has to be no status, because that wanna be the default value. So in order to give the default case in Angular, you can use ng-siwtch default and remove the case from here and give each one of them the value. So 2, and I give it 3, and you see that I'm not gonna assign any value for the default case, so I just remove that. All right. Now, if I go back to my browser and you see the status has to be online, just zoom that out. All right. So that is online. Now, if I give it the value of 3, let's suppose, and you see that it's now offline. Now, but if in the case for no status, I can give it something like, let's suppose, which is not inside our cases. So you see, we have no status. So I hope you guys enjoy and you understand about the switch case statement in the Angular. So in the next video, we want to talk about something more. So please subscribe and like my videos. So I want to see you for the next time.